Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching from my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and watch to the end and drop your comments on what you think about this bag and whichever tutorial you want me to do next. So this bag is a mini cross bag and paper, and it is measured 3 inches by 13 inches. The full measurement of what will go around the bag, because this is the main piece, and the main piece is 9 inch by 6 inches, rather 9 inches wide and 6 inches high. So if you are making a bigger one for normal standard measurements of cross bag, you should use 9 inches wide and 11 inches high. It will be very big. Then I'll add a picture on this video up there that you will see, so that you understand what I'm talking about. So right here, I'm going to cut through this place, and this place I'll be cutting through is 2 inches from here to here. So when I cut through, I'll put a zipper here, then I'll cover it with lining, then fix the zipper and also work on the other side. So this is what it will look like when you cut your 9 inches by 6 inches. So after cutting it this way, you pick it up and give it a curve to form this. So when you give it a curve, that is when you get this. So let me just quickly do that for the sake of our new members. So you just give it a curve like so. You see, it got a curve, and you do the same thing to this place. And also you get from your 9 inches by 6 inches. So, and the total measurement of the round measurement that will go around, that is getting our gazette now, is 31 inches. So that 31 inches, I added 1 inches to make 32 inches for allowance, 1 inch for allowance. So I removed 13 inches for the upper part, then the remaining inches left, that is what I will use to do the base. The upper part is always the shortest part because of the handle. So when you put the handle, it will not dangle. If it goes down too much, it will dangle. It will not be balanced when the person carries it. So it has to come up. So that is why the upper part is always the shortest part. So if you take a look at it, you see the upper part is shorter than the lower part. So I'm going to fix a zipper here. We already know how to fix zipper. Let's fix the side pocket first. Let me cut through. I'll fix the side pocket, then fix the zipper. So I'm just cutting away the 2 inches I measured from the up down. So I'll fix the zipper here, then make the side pockets. Then this is my zipper for the main bag. So I'll cut through and set aside. I'll cut through and set aside so that I'll work on the body and the main piece first. So this is what you get for the upper part. Then the lower part, you just set it aside. So let's work on this first. I'm going to fix my zipper now. So I fixed the zipper of the upper part, which is 2 inches measurement before cutting. So next is to fix the lower part, but before that I will have to top stitch. So after top stitching, I fix the lower part, then I also top stitch the lower part. So if you can take a look at it, you see I've top stitched the lower part. So I'll fix the lower part like so, and also top stitch it. So immediately I'm done with this, I fixed my zipper, and the next thing to do now is to fix my lining. How do I do that? I'm just going to place it on my lining like so, and sew it, just that. So I'm done with that. The next thing is to concentrate on making my gusset. I'll fix the zipper of my gusset just the way I fix the zipper of the side of the pocket, the side pocket of the main piece. So I'll fix the zipper of the gusset. So after which I cut 2 inches belt to hold the adjuster, and fix the adjuster as well. See what I did? The belt I cut is just 2 inches, so I use it to hold the adjuster, and that's it. I'll do the same thing to the other side, and it also serve as stopper. So the next thing now, I've joined the lower gauze. So I'm going to top stitch on the place I joined. I'll top stitch there, then get the midpoint and fix the gauze. So right now I fixed the gauze, and I make sure I notch the midpoints of both sides of the gauze so that it will be easy for me to fix the both side of the main body. So I going to join it here. This is how I usually fix my gauze, and it's very easy for me. So when I have excess, I remove it. I always have excess because I always add to it after getting the accurate measurements. So I fixed that. I'm just going to join it here and top stitch. So I've joined it and top stitch. When I will next thing, I will tape. I'll use my 1-inch taping belt to tape. If you don't have taping belt, you can use your 1-inch belt instead. So I've taped it. The next thing is to fix this one. I'll get the midpoint of this second piece. I'll notch it. After notching it, I'll place it on the notched part. See the notched part of the base, I'll put it on the notched part of the main piece. You can even pin it together so that it doesn't shake. You see, I'll notch the main piece midpoint along the line of the 9 inches, so the longest the side. So you notch it, you notch both side and pin it. Remember that I've gotten my midpoint previously before joining the first body. That is before I joined the other side. So I got the midpoint and notched both midpoints. This side and this side, I notched both midpoints before I now started. So what I'll do now, I'll just repeat the same thing I did here. I'll sew it round and tape it, then turn the bag inside out. Then my bag is ready. It's as easy as that and fast as that. I'm sorry my voice is kind of cracked because my nose is stuffy. So after sewing it round, I'll tape it with my taping belt, turn it inside out. You just make your adjuster handle exactly the same way we do lunch bag adjuster. And if you don't know how to do that, search on my YouTube channel. I have a detailed tutorial on how to make lunch bag or handbag adjuster handle. It's there. That will guide you on how to do the handle. So the most important part is this part, and I'm done with it. If you have any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.